In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a picture from Canva. So I have this picture just here, and let's say I wanted to save this. Now, first off, you want to make sure that the actual picture is the same size as the canvas. Now, if I went and saved it like this, obviously, I'd capture everything which is on this canvas, and we don't want that. So what I'm going to do is enlarge this just like that. Then what we want to do is come up here to the right hand corner where it says share. Then we're going to click on download, and then we want to choose either PNG. So if we click on this drop down menu, we're going to see PNG just here and JPEG as well. And these are the two file types which you either want to download. Now, if we click on JPEG, we have lots of different options, but these are pro features, as we can see, because the crown icon is next to them. So what we want to do is simply choose the page if we have multiple pages. So we choose page 2, click done, and then we can click on download. Now, if we click on PNG as well, we have an option with resizing this as well. But as we can see, those are Canva Pro features. So all we'd have to do is simply check the page that we want to download, click done, click download, and then that picture has been saved just like that. So now, if I open the picture just like this, we can see what that looks like. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to save a picture from Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.